Simple Truth Organic Marcona Almond Dark Chocolate, 73% cocoa. Not 72, 73%. So in this video, we're upping the percentage of dark cocoa, which in my last chocolate bar video, I had mentioned how dark chocolate contains flavonoids, maybe polyphenols. You'll have to look that up yourself. This might be accidentally vegan. It says may contain milk and hazelnuts, but not. Hey, look at the ingredients. It says organic cocoa mass, organic cane sugar, organic almonds, organic cacao, butter or cocoa butter, organic vanilla pods. I haven't had this before because it's usually kind of pricey, like $4 or $5 a bar. Pricey for Kroger. I got this at Kroger. And let's see what it tastes like. Oh yeah. So it's 170 calories per serving, 520 calories per bar, which is kind of high, but I don't think it's recommended that you eat the whole bar. I might. So one serving size is 8 pieces, and there's 3 servings per container. And we have some nutrients down here. It has iron, 4 milligrams of iron, 170 milligrams of potassium per serving, 70% of your daily value of iron in the whole bar, which is pretty good. So it's good for your blood. Iron's good for your blood. And we have some protein, 3 grams per serving, 9 grams per bar. It's pretty good. A pretty chocolate bar. I think I'm gonna eat half of this. I've always liked chocolate with almonds in it since I was a kid. Let's see what this tastes like. Not bad. Pretty like simple taste. Not too bitter though. Sometimes you get dark chocolate and it's really bitter. This is not too bitter. Pretty good. Yeah, this chocolate would be a lot better in a recipe. If you have a recipe that calls for dark chocolate, this would be really good. A really good organic, convenient choice. If you live in the Southeast, Kroger's generally everywhere. Also in Ohio, I went to Cincinnati a few weeks ago, and Kroger's has like a corporate headquarters or something there. And they have a lot of Kroger grocery stores there. It's pretty good.